Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making Amala. My name is MDEVAAN. Most people just call me Mde. So yes, I'm making Amala today. Amala is pretty straightforward, and I'm not much of a swallow person. But every once in a while, I get the craving to just eat Amala, probably or gari, which is eba, or poundou, probably like once or twice a month. Yes, I know I am not a swallow person at all. So basically, you can do this two ways. What I just did by pouring your flour straight into water and turning till it's done, or you can do the system I did in the pound of flour, pouring a little bit of flour in water, mixing it, and then pouring it to cook, and then mixing in your flour. The main thing is to make sure that your flour is cooked and it is well incorporated. That means you turn it well, there are no white edges. That's basically what it is. Very straightforward. And then you can add a little bit of water as you're turning if you feel it's too soft, but I like strong swallow, so I'm not going to add the water. That's why I reduce water at the beginning. Okay, so we're just going to turn this and keep turning it till it's done on very low heat. And don't worry if it's sticking to the pot, that's normal. Well, it's normal for me. I don't think I've ever seen an amala or semo pot that is clean when it's done. So it's normal for me to have a little bit of it burnt at the bottom, which is probably why I don't eat swallow a lot, because washing pots all the time. But I hope you also know there's an easy way for you to wash your pots after doing things like swallow or even burnt rice. Just put a little bit of water. It's a kitchen hack for you. Put a little bit of water and put it back on the fire and allow it to cook, and then you can scrape it off easily. Okay, so amala is basically eating mostly in the southwest, especially on at their occasions and even normal days, mostly eating with ewedu and a little bit of stew, begiri, and all of that. I just like my amala simple and straight to the point. I can have it with pocho. Today I'm serving it with okra. I started it as a seafood okra, and I decided seafood co. Let me just make everything assorted. So if you like the look of this okra, please let me know and I will consider filming it. I forgot to do like a detailed recipe. Okra is so straightforward, but I forgot to do like a detailed recipe. It's just a vegetable okra with assorted meat. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. I love you. Mwah.